name is Seraj Ansari. I am from India. I am 23 years old. I have 3 company experience and as HVAC technician, 4 years in Indian experience, 2 companies. Worked with Voltas Jamshedpur as HVAC technician, from 2017 to 2019, and second company Blue Star Limited Jamshedpur as HVAC technician 2019 to 2021, and last company in experience Gulf, जिसको presently working with Gulf Industrial Service Company, जिसको Abu Dhabi 2021 to till continue. I am hard working. I am solve everything work in the HVAC related. Thanks for watching my video.